Hey guys, Flight Coach Drizzy here, and there's so much to be said about this crazy time, and I just hope that you guys are out here staying positive, staying occupied, and taking the time that you need to just keep your mental health right. Whether that's cooking, whether that's, you know what, actually, I just created a list of 5 ways that I've stayed occupied during this time, and I have kept just my sanity, because life has changed so much for everybody. So first way that I've been keeping my sanity is by isolating myself and taking the time that I need to think. Think about making decisions, think about where I want my life to go. I feel like the world is kind of on pause right now in a weird way, and we all have time to catch up and do a lot of the things that we said that we wanted to do. And I've been using that time to just do those things, to get my room right, which is actually my second way to keep yourself occupied, is creating your space. Creating a positive space that reflects your personality and reflects who you are. Painting is so therapeutic. I've been painting a lot in our apartment, but it just feels so good, and it gives you a time to just think about something else that doesn't have to deal with the craziness in the world. Third way that I have been keeping myself occupied is by cooking. I love to cook. I get lazy sometimes and I don't always want to cook, but when I'm in the mood, I love it. Cool thing is there's so many recipes online. Check them out. There's so many things you can make, so many recipes, so many people you can contact about recipes. I always contact my dad. He's amazing. He knows so many things when it comes to food. My friend Danya is an amazing chef. She knows so much when it comes to food. Yes, the recipes are out there, and there's a lot of substitutions for little things too. I know some substitutions. I know people who have substitutions. So if you ever have an item that may not be in your cabinet of like ingredients, then hit someone up or look online and Google substitutions, because you can still make that dish and it could still taste exactly the same. Pretty cool. I love it. Another great way, my fourth way of keeping my mental health during this time, is by being creative. Creating these videos for you guys, taking pictures. My roommate, I've been actually helping her too, doing some things with her line. She is slaying the game. Make sure you check her out, Sanji Williams. We're out here creating content that is just, it's fire. And you guys could be doing it too. I have my iPhone, I use most of my stuff on there. We have a ring light. All you just need is some lighting, a creative mind, and a phone or a camera, and bam, TikTok champion. We just created. Yes, so, and sleep. Okay, my last one, because I'm blabbering away now, is sleep. Get your sleep, get your rest. You have the time to rest now. You need the mind to have you need your sleep to have a clear mind. At least I do. I can't speak for everybody, but I need my rest to have a clear mind. And it allows me to think a lot better. So that's me. 5 ways that I have been staying occupied during this time. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna give you guys a 6th way, because I actually forgot about it. I love dance, and some of you guys, I know a lot of you guys love dance, because a lot of you guys who follow me are dancers. Alvin Ailey has been premiering so many pieces since we've been in quarantine as a way of giving back to the people. You guys should definitely check that out. www.alvinailey.com. I think it's called All Access. I'll put the link below. There's some amazing pieces by Jamar Ode. I think that's one's being premiered on Thursday, so check that one out this weekend. But I got to see Lazarus, I got to see Night Creatures, Revelations, and of course some of those I've actually seen before. But there's so many new ones that you might not have seen, and maybe you haven't seen the originals or the classics, but they are up there, so check that out as well. So much content for you guys. Also wanted to share that my next video is gonna be on social distancing on aircrafts. I think it's a big topic. There's so much with it. Money, whenever money's involved, I think that's always interesting too. So let me know below what you think, how it may be possible. What do you think rules should be when you are traveling and you have to social distance? Please comment, please let me know what you think, because I want to touch on this. I think there's so much to it, and I think you guys can help me so much. Yeah, and just digging into this. Thank you guys for your time. I love you. Stay safe. Flight Coach Drizzy.